Hello everyone, it's Leah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to show you my latest project. It's actually, these are digital papers that I've designed. So a theme for this paper is farm. And these papers are really designed with beautiful images. So you will see like lots of animals, farmers, fields, like some food, and I mean they really look nice and beautiful. And here you see papers in two different colors. This stack here is 8.5 by 11, and this one here is 8 by 8. And also with these papers also go, I will show you quickly for all of you that make junk journals. So here are like some papers. I believe it's like 21 papers for junk journaling, and this doesn't have to, they don't have to be for only for junk journaling. So you can create album with this paper. Imagine when you cut the paper in two halves, then you can cover like a flap with paper. So you just design an album in size of these halves. Okay, so this is actually printed on 8.5 by 11 inches. And also with these papers there are also ephemera cards and some journaling tags and I think pockets here. And I will show you and explain you about all this later, but first I would like to show you papers. I will not talk while showing you these papers, so I will just flip through them, and then I will say something more when I show you ephemera cards and junk journaling pages. So here, let's start with these papers. Okay, so these are the papers, and I don't know if I told you earlier, there are like 40 papers in each size. So let me put this aside, and I will take these journaling cards. So here are cards. They're like 9 papers, and you can see like ephemera cards and tags. So these tags are in 2 different sizes, and then pockets, and those pockets are for okay, I will explain you later, but first I will start showing you. So here are 2 papers with pockets, and these pockets, I mean, you can insert these tags into the pockets. So like smaller pockets are for smaller tags, and then here you have like 2 larger pockets, and then you can insert these 2 larger, I mean, there are more tags, so you can insert larger tags into the pockets. Okay, so this is the sheet of paper with these small pockets, and here there are like 2 pockets in larger size with some tags. All right, and then the last thing I have for farm is these papers. Actually, these are designed for all of paper crafters, for the ones that make junk journaling, and then for all of you that make albums. What is great about these pages is also that you can make an album with them, and you just cut them in half, and you cover the flap with each half. So you just make an album the size a little bit, not the size of this paper, but just a little bit larger on each side. And what is great with these papers, I mean, this, I'm talking for album makers, so you can just cut in half, and then you can create like flaps in the same size, and you just cover each half. I mean, you just cover the flap with the half of this page, and you can see then you have like a beautiful image, and you can place your photograph on top, and also like some of the halves are only with frames and some small images, and then you can place your photograph. So you will see you have so many options with these pages. So I hope you will create some beautiful albums with them. Here, I mean, these papers are printed onto actually 8.5 by 11. And if you make junk journaling, then you just fold each paper in half, and then you will have nice spread for your junk journals. All right, so here I will show you quickly these papers, and you will see some images that are on junk journal pages. They are not included in papers and in ephemera cards, so they're only here. This is all for today. I hope you like my new paper collection, and this will be listed in my Etsy store. I will have 4 listings for each paper, so for junk journaling separate listing, and then for ephemera cards and for those both sizes of the papers. I hope you like the papers. Just let me know in the comment what you think. Hope to see you soon with something new, with papers or album pages or whatever. And by then, goodbye.